Japanese food culture's foundation is abundant water and rice, and the cradle of Japanese rice farming is in Tango, Kyoto. They will use only local organic rice for raw material of their vinegar. Vinegar, which is fermented and aged over time, has a unique mellow taste. This traditional vinegar enhances the rich food from the sea and mountain of Kyoto by the sea. And equated to a great novel taste by a chef's hand. Sake, just like wine, each has a different flavor, color, and taste. Kyoto's sake is notable in its individualistic variety. Food pairing experts will invite you to experience a new marriage of cuisine.